nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Sinead, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig that I received from Nadula hair company. So I'm just showing you guys quickly what I received in my package. So here's how it looks. I got a Christmas card, I got this goodie bag. So I received a scarf, some clips, eyelashes, wig cap, a bag that I could store the wig in, a head wrap, and also 2 more wig caps, and of course the wig itself. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks. It's like an upgraded version of a U-part wig. We call this now a V-part wig. These V-part wigs, guys, save so much time. It lays so flat. It is so much more natural. I love it. So I'm just showing you guys how the inside looks. It comes with clips, it comes with the adjustable band, and also it comes with combs. So this is how the inside looks, and I'm just going to show you guys how the curls look, and then we're going to get into installing this wig. By the way, this is their Jerry curls, so if you are interested, all the details will be down in my description box below. So for this install, I will not be braiding my hair. I'm just going to start off by measuring the length of what I'll be leaving out, because I will be doing a leave out. With these V-part wigs, you do not have to do a leave out. You can actually install the wig without it, but I like it better with a leave out, so that's what you will see me doing right now. I'm literally just measuring the part on the wig and making sure that it is the correct amount left out for my leave out. I also like the more natural look, so I'm going to go ahead and comb out the sides so that I can also leave that out. So now I'm just going to comb back the rest of my hair into a ponytail. So I'm taking my bobby pin to secure my ends up. And then I'm just going to apply the wig. So I am adjusting the wig with the adjustable straps. I'm putting it on the tightest one. And when I put the wig on, I use the comb in the middle to help guide me. So I put it in the middle of my head, and then I lift the wig up, and I'm just opening the clips. And you want to make sure you're putting it as close to your part as possible. So I'm putting the combs in, and then I'm just closing them. And just like that, your wig is on. So as you can see, my leave out is bone straight and this hair is really curly. So I'm going to go in with my small crimping iron and I'm gonna take some of my leave out and some of the hair and crimp them both together. That way it blends in better. So once all my hair has been crimped, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out a bit. I'm using my fingers just because I don't want to lose all the definition of the curls. So I'm just going and running my fingers through it, just to have it blend in with the curls. And that's how it's looking, guys. It looks so natural. Like, this was so nice. So I'm gonna do some baby hairs right now. I am using Edge Booster Edge Control, and I believe this is the strawberry. I think this is the strawberry one. It smells good though. I can't help saying that it smells good because it really does. So I'm just going in and I'm doing my edges. I also decided to use some DAX in my hair just to help the blending process. I think my hair just looked a bit dry. So I used some DAX on my hair and I'm just playing around with it. So of course I have to come back, take the cape off so I can show you guys these curls. So this is their Jerry curls. So I'm going in with my argan oil. This is their foam and I'm just putting it all over the curls. I did not wet these curls. I'm just using the foam because I still want it to be big. I don't want it to not be big. I like how it looks. I just wanted to define the curls some more. So I went in with this argan oil foam and I'm just applying it everywhere. If your hair is natural, you do not want to get it on your natural hair because it will revert. But guys, this is it. Like, this wig was so easy to install. You can't even tell that I didn't braid my hair. It lays so flat. It looks so nice. These curls, oh my goodness, guys. So guys, this is basically how the finished look looks. I hope you guys like it because this wig is super bomb. Like, these V-part wigs that have come out now are so flat. They are so flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the hair details will be down in my description box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.